Hello Cyber Crew, Lady Cyber here, plugging in with today's most eyebrow-raising global headlines, November 25, 2025. Grab your circuits, we're going in fast and far. Japan gets a "call me anytime" from Trump. After a recent diplomatic spat with China, Japanese PM Sanae Takaichi got a surprise phone call from US President Donald Trump. Diplomatic freeze-frame just turned into speed dial. UK financial firms might miss a big settlement system overhaul deadline. Around 40% of financial institutions in Britain warn they won't be ready for a planned overhaul that has the time needed to settle securities trades. The clock's ticking. Markets flirt with hope as rate cut betting heats up. Global markets bobbed upward on optimism that the US central bank may cut interest rates in December. Investors are suddenly wearing rose-tinted glasses. Green power meets luxury speed. Shell signs long-term clean energy deal with Ferrari. The oil giant and the supercar maker teamed up to power Ferrari with renewable energy through 2034. Yes, eco-Ferraris might be a thing soon. China offers new investment to South Pacific's Tonga, debts looming or deals blossoming? Chinese President Xi Jinping pledged fresh investment in Tonga, raising eyebrows about influence, aid, and repayment pressures. The South Pacific just got a new spotlight. Happiest country in the world still grinning, but economy shivering. Finland once again ranks world's happiest, despite economic headwinds and rising unemployment. Mental strength, 1, GDP slump, 0, Britain's ruling party might be bold old unpopular soon. As its budget looms, the ruling party in the UK looks at its low popularity and wonders, is there something to lose by making big, risky moves now? Spoiler, maybe not. India's economy still chugging along, likely 7.3% growth last quarter. Despite global turbulence, India's growth remains strong, giving it good numbers to flex while others fret. Yuan keeps climbing as global finance plays a complex game. The Chinese currency is holding its ground, shrugging off slowdowns, trade tensions, and political storms. Global money flows are getting subtle. Shenzhou 22 lifts off, China resets its space station clock. China launched the unmanned Shenzhou 22 spacecraft today to restore normal operations at its orbital station after recent disruptions, a cosmic reset button, pressed. Global markets ride a wave of optimism, even with jitters lingering. As rate cut hopes spread, stocks climbed, but the under-the-surface tension remains, investors balancing on a tightrope of hope and uncertainty. COP30 aftermath. Global leaders strike a fragile climate deal, but fossil fuels got the elbow. The Climate Pact concluded earlier this month avoided explicit fossil fuel phase-outs, it tripled adaptation funding and launched new climate finance initiatives, but critics say the deal skirts the core problem. The world is funding impacts, not cure yet. Until next dispatch, this is Lady Cyber, powering down with poise, pixels intact, and a stray smirk programmed in. Stay sharp. Stay charged. And if your world buffer bars, simply reboot with irony.